This is Village Auto's 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Extended Cab with a Z71 off-road four-wheel drive package. Very sharp two-owner truck. You have the matching fiberglass cap, bed liner, tow package, alloy wheels, chrome step bars, chrome rocker panels. Very sharp, well maintained. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $14,330. Let's get inside here for you. This one does have 4 doors. Very clean cloth interior. You do have a full power options. Folding center console will bring this to a 6-passenger truck. AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input. Dual automatic climate control. Electronic four-wheel drive switch with auto feature. Tow haul mode. Steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the OnStar compass and temp in the rear view mirror. It's all together very clean, very well maintained truck. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado four-wheel drive home with you today.